What's going on, y'all? Tonight we are going through the remaining Jordan releases of 2021. We're gonna do a little copper drop. This is my personal preference, my personal opinion, what I think is gonna do good on resale, and what I personally like. Everybody's entitled to their own opinion. This isn't set in stone. This is just what I like. Before we get into the video, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share. So, without too much further ado, let's get into it. So, first up, we have the Clot Jordan 14. For me, that's a definite cop. After that, we have tomorrow the Carmine 6s. For me, once again, that's a definite cop. After that, we have the Jordan 1 Zoom Comfort. For me, once again, it's a cop. And then we have the women's silver toes. Once again, for me, it's a cop. And a lot of these are a cop. So after that, we have the cool gray 3s. Once again, for me, that's going to be a cop. There's not many flops on this. It's a good year. And then we have the Jordan 1s. I'm not really sure the colorway. They're white and yellow. I could do without. They're the KOs, I think. Then we have the Jordan 4 Taupe Haze, which is a definite cop for me. I think those are going to do alright. And then we have these multicolored Skittle looking 9s. For me, it's a drop. Next up, we have the University 1s. 1,000,000% cop. They're going to jump on resale, as the ones always do. After that, we have the Georgetown 3s. 100% cop. I love them. The Georgetown Hoya colors. And then we have the Stealth 5s. I could go either way on these. But, I mean, I'm a sneakerhead. I'm going to probably buy them. After that, we have these powder pink looking kind of 12s. I could go either way on them, to be real. I'll say cop. Then we have these 12 lows. No, I'm not going to do it. Cop, drop. Then we have the Raging Bull 5s. Absolute cop. 2,000%. After that, we have the University Blue 4s. Fire. These things. The University Blues always jump. So, cop. After that, we have these ugly 11 low bright citrus absolute. Then we have the 7s, the Jordan 7 Flints. I mean, they basic, but I'll say cop. Coming in after that, we have the Red Flint 13s. I'm a big 12 and 13 fan, so I'm going to say cop. Then we have the Shadow 2.0s, I believe these are. The Jordan Shadow 2.0s. Cop all day. Then we have the Paris Saint Germain 7s. Cop. No question. Cop. White Cement 4s. Once again, it's a big cop for me. Absolutely. It's a classic. What we got? We have these 11 lows. I think I already did these ones, but Court Purple 1s. High. Definite cop. The Jordan 1 highs are always jumping. And these are one of my favorites. These people are either going to love these or hate these. I love them. They're like the rust colored weathered panels. The ones, the fire. Cop. I'm just going to tell you right now, pretty much anything in a low, I'm out. So these 1 lows, no. And we got, I think these are called the Arctic Punch 1s. I'm gonna say cop. I fuck with them. And then we have the Oreo 5s. I mean, it's the Oreo 5s. What else can you say? Cop. We got the Jordan 12 Twist. Like I said, I'm a big fan of 12s and 13s. It's a cop for me. And if I was gonna get a pair of lows, these would probably be the ones. I got cankles. I can't rock lows. But the shattered backboard lows, I'm gonna say drop. The Lightning 4s. Absolutely. They got the little Michigan colorway. I'm with it. Cop. The powder blue 13s. I mean, I like 13s. Not really a fan. I'm going to say drop. I'm going to drop them. And then we have the, I don't know what the fuck those are. The work shoe 1s. I'm going to drop those. I'm good. The Pollen 1s. High. I mean, what I just say about the 1 highs? What I say? Cop. Bordeaux. What are these? I think those are 6s. The Bordeaux 6s. Cop. The cool gray 11s, man. Do I have to say it? I have to tell you? Yes. Cop. The cool gray 11s, man. And once again, the Travis Scott 6s. Cut it out. Cop. We got the Paisley print 1s. I mean, I think they're fly. So, cop. This next one, man, I'm probably going to catch hell because the reverse flu games did terrible. But we got the reverse bred 13s. Personally, it would be a cop for me, 100%. These things are trash. Ugly. It's a little pack. Two Jordan low pack. Fuck that. No, drop. And we got the AJ KOs. The Jordan KOs. The red and white and black. Not sure the colorway, but I like them. They're comfortable, but I'm going to have to drop them. Then we got the rust pink 3s. I'm a cop. I like them. And then we have these. I'm not sure what these colorways. These actually might be the shadows. Pardon me. Whatever these are, I'm a cop. Then we have the Racer Blue. The Racer Blue 3s. And that, once again, for me, is a cop. Cop. These, I can't remember what the name of these things are. They're 6s. They got like little gold accessories, but they're a cop for me. I think they're fire. Then we got the shattered backboard 1s. I don't think they're actually called shattered backboard. I think they're called like Orange Crush 1s, but whatever they are, cop. We got the Seafoam 1s. I'm torn here, man, but I'll say cop. Then we got the Particle Gray 14s. So this is the problem with me with 14s, man. I like 14s. I really genuinely do. That was like the shoe when I was in middle school, high school. But drop. Yeah, these 6s are fire. Oh, lime green 6s all day. Cop. These are fucking booty. These are trash. Fuck that. Drop. We got another pair of the AJ KOs. This time it's the little blue colorway. I mean, I like these, bro. They're comfortable, but they're not. I mean, they do nothing on the resale market. But drop. We got these little Orange Crush 5s, Orange Dream 5s, whatever they want to call them. But I like them. Cop. Then we have, I mean, listen, everybody I showed these to hates them, but I kind of think they're fly. I'm not going to bullshit you. But then we have the Shimmer 4s, which is an absolute cop for me. I think them are dope. I really like those. And then we have the Bordeaux 1s. High. Absolutely. Cop. Put them in a cop. And then, for the second time on this list, because I wasn't paying attention, we have the Pollen 1 highs, which are still the same. Still a cop for me. Court Purple 13s. I like 13s. I'm biased to 12s and 13s, so it's a cop for me. I think they're dope. Then we got these Chili Red 9s. I mean, personally, I would wear them. They're probably trash on resale, but I would wear them. Can I do cop and drop? These ones, I can't remember the colorway, but they're 3s. I mean, I'm gonna cop those. Then we have, once again, I'm not really sure of the name of this colorway, but it's a Jordan 1 high. I'll cop that. Then we got the canary yellow Jordan 1s off-white. Off-white Jordan 1 canary yellow cop. And then, I mean, let's just end it here, man. They're the 10s. They're ass, bro. 10s trash. I'm not fucking with the 10s no more. I do like some 10s. I mean, there is 10s that I like. But as far as like trying to be a reseller with the 10s, it's not happening, boy. It's not happening. But anyways, that's the list. That's my cop or drop. Y'all leave a comment. Tell me if you agree or disagree. Also, let me know, like, I know everybody has a Jordan that they favor. Like I said, for me, 12s, 13s, and 14s. Those were the shoes that came out when I was between middle school and high school. So, like,